Hi guys, and welcome back to my cooking channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to do grilled aubergines with feta, parsley, bit of garlic, some lemon. It's going to taste delicious, really nice, lovely side dish. I just love aubergine. Okay Jake, I love aubergine. Give me a second. I love aubergine and I hope you'll enjoy it too. Jake, give me a minute, let me let Jake out, 1 second. Okay, I've let Jake out. He's gone start barking at whatever he wants to bark at. Right, I'm going to do two ways. I bought our two aubergines to do them, cut them differently. Because you can either cut them like this and make them larger, or just cut them like that and make them round circle ones, smaller ones. See, some people don't want a whole slice of aubergine because it's quite big. So some people just want a small bit. So just cut it this way, or we're going to do it that way. So let's start by cutting it the easy way. I think Jake has seen the postman or postwoman. I think actually we've got a postwoman. She's such a nice lady, actually, really nice. It's brilliant. When Jake sees her at the window, he barks like crazy, wagging tail, barking really loud. But when we're outside, it's absolutely fine. Wants to stroke each other, just play with each other. It's brilliant, really nice. I don't get what's wrong with Jake. I think it's more territorial than anything else. Anyway, aubergine. Right, cut the top off. And then cut them about a centimetre, maybe slightly more, half an inch. Just cut them all like that. Okay. Cut aubergine. Now we're going to cut it the other way. Just cut the end off. Very straightforward, very easy. Like that. And then slice it. Like so. And then take the top of this one off. There we go. Now we've sliced it the other way as well. Okay, now we've sliced all the aubergines. Very straightforward. What we've got to do, get some table salt and just sprinkle it all over them. Both sides. Just rub it in a little bit. Okay, so while the salt is taking the bitterness out of the aubergines, I forgot to mention something. I'm such a dimwit sometimes. The ingredients: aubergines, a couple of aubergines, maybe even just one aubergine. Crushed garlic, one crushed garlic. Some parsley, chopped parsley, very straightforward to chop. Half a lemon. Olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, not too much. Feta, I've got half one of those bars that you get in the shop. I'm not sure how many grams that is, a couple of 100 grams, I think 100 grams, 150. Put the parsley in. So I've chopped up a bunch of parsley basically, not too much. There we go. Parsley goes in. Then with the feta, just crush it up. Throw the feta, just sprinkle the feta in. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin. Just, there you go, look at that. Right, Jake. And sprinkling of lemon juice. There we go, half a lemon, not even half a lemon, just a little bit there. And then you put a bit more olive oil in actually. There we go. Then you mix it all up. Basically, there we go. We've got a little mix together, all done. It's been about 10 minutes. Salt has been taking out the bitterness from it. So what we do now is just wash it, which I'll do right now. Okay, once we've washed them, we just pat them dry. Just take all the water out of it now. Okay, so we've got the dry aubergines now. What we're going to do is get some olive oil. Just a little bit of olive oil in a bowl, in a cup or something. Not too much. This is what we're going to rub the aubergines with. And then we put the rest of the garlic in there. Or the garlic, basically 1 clove of garlic, crushed garlic. And then just mix it up. Yep, it smells lovely. Now what we do, get a brush, just lightly sprinkle the olive oil on the aubergines. Just lightly. You won't need too much. You don't want it too soggy. Just do it, just light sprinkling on both sides. Gives it the nice olive oily, garlicky flavour. And it helps cook it as well. Heat the pan up, medium heat. Add a bit of olive oil onto the pan. Bring it down to a low heat now. We don't need it too hot. What we do, I say with the aubergines, make sure you've got a nice sprinkling of olive oil on it and garlic, but it doesn't have to be too much, because if you put too much it gets too soggy. If you put too little, it's too dry on the pan. So just, if you notice it being too dry, just add a little bit more garlic and olive oil. Just put these on. Hear it simmering there. Turn it over. There we go. Add a tiny bit more olive oil. And it'll start going a darker colour now, as you can see. There you go. Once you turn it around once in a while, you might need to add a little bit more olive oil. I say don't add too much, because it'll get too soggy. Just enough, that's it, yeah. Okay, looks like they're done. Put them back on the plate. Basically all grilled now, as you can see. Okay, now we're going to just put the topping on that I made earlier. Okay, put a tiny bit of oil on the pan. There we go. Just put this on. And now put this in the oven for about 2 or 3 minutes. Just to heat it up later, just warm it up. Okay, it's been in the oven for a couple of minutes, so just put it back on a plate for you to see. There we go, all done. And you can even sprinkle a bit more lemon on it if you want, just a dash of lemon. We've already put lemon in it anyway, but you can do that. And on one of them, I'm going to put some balsamic vinegar glaze. This is the glaze. This is lovely on it. I'll just do it on one of them. So you can see, go delicious. That's just on one of them. So it's an option. You can even have nothing on it and just have it plain like that with the garlic and olive oil. It's not bad, is it? It's very straightforward, very basic, and you can do a lot with it. So, hope you liked it. Straightforward dish, go on a side, as a side, or part of the main meal, I suppose. You can just put it on the plate, I suppose, yeah. There you go. So simple, tastes delicious. Give it a go. Hope you like that. If you did, subscribe, like, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye.